Okay, let me tell you. Call me now. Okay, go. Listen, listen, listen. One, you're taking forever. Where'd you go? Oh, there you go. Isn't that creepy? Does it sound the same as yours? Oh, let me answer and you'll be in the video. Oh my gosh, it sounds so creepy.
I know, I told you. I knew that was like funny last time.
Yeah, because it was like elevator music.
Well, it wasn't. You just couldn't hear it very well.
Okay,
Creepy little song.
let me like upload this video for you.